Summertime is a time we think of going to the lake, having fun, just kind of relaxing. But, you know, there is a group of people throughout the Ozarks that can use your help. Now, with me today, I've got Malia Spencer, the CEO of the kitchen, and Joe Piatchek with Piatchek Law Firm. Good to see both of you.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Let's address that a little bit. Summertime, I mean, we can jump in the air conditioning and cool off and jump in the pool. There's a group of people who doesn't even come close to that relief.
Right. It's so hot right now. And we do have lots of friends in our community that are homeless and spending a lot of time out on the streets and trying to find shade and shelter in our community. So it's definitely a hard time for the population we serve at the kitchen.
How does the kitchen get involved with this? Because, you know, it is a lot more than just, you know, the air conditioning, the pool. It's the little things that can really add up. Right.
So at the Rare Breed, which is part of the Kitchen Inc., that's where we serve a lot of our youth that are living in poverty and maybe just not in safe living conditions and need some extra resources to help them out through the day. So the kiddos can come in from 11 to 5 Monday through Friday. Number one, to cool off, but also get resources and things like bug spray, sunscreen, lots of water, Gatorade, and food to help nourish them.
Yeah, you say, you know, sunscreen and bug spray. It's like we tend to go inside.
Right.
They have no inside. They have to deal with this the whole time then.
Absolutely.
Now, Joe, I know you're involved, you know, with the effort. Why do you think people should get involved with helping people outside of their own little sphere?
Well, the kitchen, they just do so many wonderful things. I mean, I remember growing up as a kid, I went to Immaculate Conception's grade school, and we were always doing fundraisers for the kitchen. Sister Lorraine would come over. I mean, she was a rock star in town.
Everybody knew. Force of nature.
Everybody knew who she was. So I remember just kind of growing up with that. They did so many good things, and quite frankly, I went over to their website the other day, and I was kind of checking it out. They have grown so much, and I wasn't even aware of some of the things they did. So I would encourage everyone to go to the website at thekitcheninc.org and check it out, because it's just really impressive. They've really branched out and are doing just a whole bunch of things nowadays.
You know, sometimes when you say that, oh, go to the website and get involved, people think this whole big deal I've got to do. It really can be just in incremental bits and pieces that all adds up to a big thing.
Absolutely. I mean, I really would encourage anybody just to go check out the website as a first step. But I mean, there's volunteer opportunities. Of course, monetary donations are always a good thing. You know, perhaps a business owner out there such as myself might want to sponsor something like we're doing here. But there's just all kinds of things that can be done to help.
It's pretty easy to get involved. How important is it in the grand scheme of things? I mean, what is the reality? Everybody think when you say the homeless, oh, there's just a few of them.
Yeah, it's not that way. So each year we house almost 600 individuals in our community that are homeless or living in just such extreme poverty situations. And over a third of that 600 are under the age of 18. We're housing a lot of families. We're housing a lot of kiddos that are in our public school system. And so just to have the community support, whether it is monetary donations or maybe creating a drive for back to school supplies or canned foods or sunscreen that we talked about earlier and bug spray.
Even the small things add up.
The small things make such a big difference.
Tell folks again, if they want to join, if they want to be able to help, how do they get more information on that?
Gosh, we make it so easy. Two ways. You can call us, 837-1500, or go visit our website at thekitcheninc.org. All of our volunteer opportunities are listed there, as well as the things that we need for the summer.
All right, Malia, Joe, thanks very much for being here.
Thank you.
Join them. You can help too. We'll be right back.